Welcome to another how-to video. How to join and leave the club in Brawl Stars. Hello gamers, today our topic is all about how you can join and leave the club in Brawl Stars. So first, click the club tab on the right side of your screen under the Friends tab. Since I'm currently in a club called Barcelona, as you can see on my own screen, let's click the club setting beside your club name like mine, Barcelona. When we are in the club settings, click leave so that you can leave the club. If they ask you if you want to leave the club, click leave, and that's how to leave the club. Now, to join a club, it's up to you if you want to join some random club by clicking any clubs from the best clubs for your tab. Like mine, for example, I will choose ST. I will click on ST. While we are in the ST club info, click join. Or if you know some clubs you want to join, click the search tab and type the clubs you want to join, like mine. I will try to go back to my club called Barcelona. I'll go search for it. If you find a club you want to join, click it. Same process I followed in joining the ST club, and that's it. That's how you join and lead the club in Brawl Stars. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.